Hey, you, come here for a second. Can you guess where we're going today? We're going to Bird Paradise. It's a really cool bird park in Singapore. And I'm pretty sure all of us will like it here. So there's a few things we need to do. I'll tell you those things at the end. But for now, I'll tell you the tickets. You can get the Bird Paradise tickets for about 46 Singaporean dollars. And if you want to go everywhere, like the river tour, the bird paradise, the zoo, and a few other attractions, then it will be 189. But for today, we're only going to the bird paradise. Let's go. So many people around me? Well, because today is Good Friday, a Singaporean holiday, and maybe other countries too, because today is Friday before Easter. So we need to be really good, and plus, the bird paradise just moved from Jerome to Mandai in Singapore. So I think it's worth it. So let's see. Right now we are in the penguin boat, where there are a lot of different penguins. Like these penguins right here, looks like they love being out of the water. Penguins here are really happy. So I think that the penguins here are really being taken care of here.
2,000 years later.
My sister just dropped an egg. Now I'm gonna get oh, he's attracted. Oh, it's so cute. Here, take your egg. Now I just climb back up. Yeah. There we go. Look at him. He's so cute. Have you ever seen a bird as cute as this one? It's big and cute.
Another one.
And his sister or brother probably came. He's going closer. Look at that, such a beauty.
Maybe that's good. We have to find this big one.
Already found, we didn't want to take the basket. There's such a big queue. And my sister just really likes these types of eggs, and she wants 2 of them to play with them. And she said we'll give it back. And plus today is Good Friday. Some people are not so good. Thank you. Look, I got an egg for my sister.
What do you say, thing?
Oh, what? Ruinan? Cock of the Rock? What did he do in life to get such a name? This is a northern ground hornbill. Look at it, it's so giant, it could kill a person. Wow, so dazzling, right? These are called? You're probably thinking they're called hornbills. But exactly what type of hornbills? There are like 50 different types of hornbills. And this is called a great hornbill. It's the largest type of hornbill. That's why it's called a great hornbill. And they have a really cool and unique thing. It's not so cool, but it's really fun to know. Did you know that when they mate and they become a pair, once they do that, they can't, if one dies, then the other one can't remate and get another pair. It has to live alone for the rest of its life and die alone. How sad is that? And if you're interested what they eat, then they eat vegetables and different types of fruits. And usually they eat vegetables. But they also can eat small invertebrates like beetles and lizards. But if there's larger lizards, like maybe this size, they will slam their beak against the lizard, against a tree branch. Slam their beak against the lizard onto a tree branch, and that's how they kill the bigger lizard and the bigger prey. Loves to communicate. It's fighting. Oh, it took my stick. Need a bigger one. Right, this one's perfect size. Oh, looks like he really wants to play. Look at that. He's excited for me to get this stick branch out. And now, the exciting part, he can play. Oh, he immediately took it out. So, it's so fun to play with him. This one, it looks like a dead plant, so I'm just gonna rip some parts off. I guess, oh, he's excited. Oh, he's jumping around. It's a sticky. You can play now. Look at him. He's so excited. He loves it. Queen, 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 queen. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Womp womp. Oh, he took this one too. Took about 3 sticks. Can you guess what bird paradise feeds their birds? Okay, first try the parrot chick. You get 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you have guessed it correctly, the parrot chick eats chick formula warmed to an optimal temperature at 38 degrees. I bet you $1,000 you didn't guess that. American flamingo. Did you peek? Okay, you have another 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. It eats special pellets it eats like these special things made specially and prepared for the flamingos. You get 5 seconds to guess what the blue-bellied roller eats. I'll give you a peek. Did you see it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you guessed it correctly. It eats bugs, eggs, and tofu. Okay, what does this macaw eat? What does it feed? What does the zoo feed it? Yeah, 5 seconds for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you guessed it correctly. It eats parrot salad, specially made for parrots, nuts, seeds, and pellets. What does the toko toucan eat? Can you guess? You get 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fruits and leafy greens. Look at that. Tasty. What did the Philippine eagle eat? I'm pretty sure you can guess that. Not can't. You can guess that. You get a clue. Beets. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It eats meat with bones. The bird's stomach acid can digest bones. Did you know that the eagle's stomach can digest bones? Huh? Okay, last one. The spot-billed pelican. This one, whoever guesses it, write a comment if you guessed it correctly. And I will give you a shout out, whoever gets it correctly. Everyone who gets it correctly, I'll give them a shout out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fish. I'm pretty sure that was the easiest one. So just fish. Let's go see what else is here. Let's go and try to see the bird show. I hope I got the timings right. Did you know that flamingos actually eat with their head upside down? And how they do that is by taking a bunch of water into their mouth and filtering the food particles and the normal water. Then they spit out the water and eat the particles. And they can somehow sleep with one leg. On one leg they sleep. That's like impossible. How? Also, such beautiful creatures, flamingos, make their nests out of mud? That is dazzling. bushes.
Right.
Look at this, so cute. Did you know that there are more than 3,500 birds in bird paradise? And more than 400 species of birds. Like look, there's a toucan over there. Are chilling everywhere, even in the queue to the toilet. Found out that this bird has a death trap. It's so well camouflaged that it can just sit next to a tree branch and open its mouth and wait for some unfortunate prey to come and just wander in its mouth. Think it will let me touch its tail? I did it! I got to go tell this. Some people dared me to touch this bird, and I just told them that I completed their dare. So overall, I think this park is so worth it. It's so big. We've seen everything but the African parts. So you can go visit that too. And I'd say a few things you need to take with you. Swimming suits for kids, because there are a few swimming attractions back there for the kids. Take something you and your kids can change into, because there's one attraction where you might fall in water. You and your kids might fall in water. So just take something to change it, just in case. I'd also recommend an umbrella or an electric fan, because it's really hot. I'm literally sweating right now. And I'd just say it was one of my best experiences. And you also need to watch out for the show timings. Because we went to one of the shows, it was amazing. And you can also take a picture with birds. So have a nice time if you're visiting this place. Bye. Peace out.